have the fireman coming because someone was stupid. So as you can hear, there's the fire alarm, and I was evacuating. We were getting ready to evacuate. Yeah, guys. I went like 2 stories to make sure, and then I saw everyone was evacuating, like literally everyone with their kids and stuff. I came back to get my son, he was falling asleep. Came back to get him. We're getting ready to evacuate. We go outside, and then we hear it's the neighbors, and it's not the first time. It's supposed to be the 4th time that his burner, 4th time that his burner starts the fire alarm. I can tell you, people are pretty mad here. And I was stressed, and I was scared, and now I'm mad. But you know what? Story to tell. Hi, story to tell. I just can't wait till that stops, though.
Yeah. You're gonna hear everybody bitching, and everybody's gonna come out.
Well,
we get up here.
we could already hear bitching. Oh, I want to film the fireman. Yeah, you can hear them. Shh. Can you hear them? The cops. Cops and firemen coming to our rescue. Our fake rescue. Our fake rescue. Oh my gosh. Oh, the guy should get a fine this time. Supposedly he was okay last time. I hope they teach him a lesson and tell him to change his burner, or, you know, because there's probably some people somewhere needing help, but they're gonna come here for people who don't need help.
I don't know how to cook.
Who don't know how to cook. Who don't know how to cook. There you go. That's well said, Jess. So. Ah là là. Hey, mon loup, est-ce que tu viens en dessous du parapluie avec maman? We're singing in the rain. Ta gomme? Ah, bravo! Mange encore. Mange la gomme. C'est bon? Faut pas que tu avales l'eau, hein? Tu donnes à maman quand t'as fini. Bon? Regarde maman, est-ce que t'es en autobus? Oui! Tu vas-tu faire un tour d'autobus? Es-tu content? Oui, hein? Regarde dehors. Ok. Ben non, ça va pas aller. Autobus! À tantôt! C'était le fun, hein, mon amour? Wow! Allô, va la refaire, maman veut te voir. Va la refaire, mon amour.
Anyway, yeah, see, whatever happens, I can hear.
Vas-y.
Non, doucement.
Allô? Dis allô, c'est Mathias. Vas-y. Bravo, mon amour. Allô? Fais coucou, c'est Mathias. Coucou. Vas-y, Lou. Allez, Kira. Et où la balle? J'ai perdu. Cherche la balle. Où la balle? Go, 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 go. Bravo, Kira. Good girl. Ouais, donne la balle. Donne la balle, Kira. Vas-y, mon loup. Donne la balle, Kira. Good girl. Vas-y. Lance. Kira. Donne la balle. Donne la balle, Kira. Donne la balle. Elle est mouillée. Donne la balle. Arc. Arc est mouillé. Arc est mouillé. Arc. Arc, arc, arc. Ok, ouais. Vas-y. Oh. Donne la balle, Kira. C'est ça. Donne la balle, Kira. Kira.
Ouais, mais va pas en dessous, va pas lâcher.
Non, va pas en dessous. Kira, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Ah, elle a sauté dans le ciel! That's multitasking for you right there. And back to picking up leaves. Isn't that nice of him? Okay. Okay, boy. You go get the ball. Okay, stay. Oh yeah, good boy.
Badam. Badam. Papa, where do I do it? No, come on, you very mal, you very mal, you very mal. What are you doing?
Chante bien, Lou. Qu'est-ce que c'est d'autre, là?
Hey, on a d'autres rouges.
Ah, ben oui, toi.
On a d'autres rouges ici.
Okay, love. We're gonna go try the clothes?